Artificial intelligence has struck yet again with another explosive meme in the form of AI-generated Disney Pixar movie posters. These posters seem innocent at first glance, but once you realize their obscene subject matter, it all becomes clear. Whoever makes these is getting first place in hell. The trend seems to have begun in late September this year, although it's unclear who is directly responsible for the first upload, as it's clear they morphed from the more serious AI movie poster trends dominating online culture for the past couple years. These new ones seem to be using the Bing image creator, which does quite well with text compared to other generators, but it's not quite perfect. It likely needs a few tries to get just right, and no doubt artists use Photoshop to pretty up the titles and faces a bit. It's become so popular that there's how-to guides out there for people who want to give it a shot, so go nuts. It's free, but requires a Microsoft account. This style is a format that allows heavy contrast between two subject matters, playing into themes of light versus dark, which is often employed in meme culture. Barbenheimer could be considered one such example, wherein a garishly oversaturated kids film is combined with a dark and serious story to create something new. And Family Guy did their own version way back when, by making a world wherein everything is Disney but reference rumors surrounding Walt Disney's attitude toward Jewish people. Hence, the Disney Pixar AI posters allow this unhinged technique to present new ideas to online audiences, freaking out those who do not realize it is artificial at first glance. It just goes to show how prevalent the AI revolution has been when it comes to generating memes. It's extremely easy for people to use their imagination and create anything they like, and as the tools have become more accessible, insane memes have of course followed. Some have been pushing the image generation as far as it can go in terms of offensive tendencies, which is why we've ended up with seriously unhinged posters for fake films. This brings to question the moderation surrounding AI. It's already at the stage where mainstream platforms do not allow the creation of lewd imagery, and people have to find workarounds to create smut. However, there will always be ways in which the limitations set by those developing AI will be exploited, which is why we've got cutesy posters that upon further inspection reveal the worst of what humanity has to offer. In short, the unhinged Disney Pixar AI posters follow a similar structure to many of the most popular memes to hit the internet, hinging on a comparison between light and dark subject matters to emphasize shock content. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else.